Hello, this is Kelly Crossley. I'm going to go over the import and export of a WordPress site into an Azure website and how that occurs. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually select on websites from the Microsoft Azure portal, select New. I'm going to go to Compute Website from the gallery. When you select the gallery, you have the ability to bring up a number of different things. I'm going to go ahead and select blogs here. Let it come up with some of the blogs, and I'm actually going to select the WordPress blog. So once I do that, I'll hit next, and I'm just going to call it InfraScience Test 1 WP for WordPress. Let it create a new SQL database. Go with the default web scale group that I have. And as far as the deployment settings, I'm going to go ahead and just put in some standard ones and hit next for test. WP. Leave it at that. Select the region, that's fine. Select the legal terms and move forward. And it's going to go ahead and create the WordPress site here. Once that's done, I'll go ahead and access that site so that you can see what it looks like. In the meantime, I'm going to go to, I already have a WordPress site set up through WordPress.com, and if I was to go to the dashboard on the home, you can see that I've got information here. If I wanted to look at my blogs, you'll see that I've got a sample site. I click on this one, you'll see that it's just pretty much nothing there. I've got some information. I'm actually going to go and go to my blogs, select the WordPress site. I'm going to write a post, paste that in my area just so I have some content. You'll see that that comes across. Go ahead and say publish, and go ahead and move it out there. It says I've published my first blog. You can see it here. Excuse me. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my dashboard, and from there I'm going to go to Tools and Export, and I'm going to say I want a regular export with XML files. I'm going to say all content and download the export file. Go ahead and save it. It says it's completed. I'll open that folder, delete the one I had there so I don't get confused, and you'll see it right here. Okay. So once I've got that in place, if I go back to the Windows Azure site, you'll see that my site is now up and running. If I select this on the Windows Azure site again, go to the dashboard, and then slide down, scroll down a little bit to the site URL, click on that. So here I am on my InfraScience Test WP Azure website. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I am now logged in. So you'll recall a moment ago I exported the file. Again, that file is right here in my downloads area. I now have the availability to go in and do an import. And I'm going to import from a WordPress site. There we go. And I'm going to choose the file. Select this one. Say upload file and import. The recent blogs, I'll say it's from K. Crossley 2014. Hit submit. And right now it's processing. So I will go back to the dashboard. See what I have out there as far as the post. Here's the one that I just imported, which is the hello there and export process, then import. And again, you'll see that I'm on AzureWebsites.net. Here's all of the data that I put in there. all of that kind of thing. So that is the process. It's pretty simplistic. You just export from your WordPress site through the tools, and it's the same um, tool set on the WordPress side and Azure websites. So there you go. Hope that was of help to you, and come back for more videos. Thanks.